Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all good. Thank you for all your support. Thank you so much. Today we'll see how to apply the referral code on Swiggy to get 90 off on your first order. This is applicable for new users. As you see in the picture, you have to click on the link. I'll provide this link also in the description box. You can check out. After clicking on the link, you have to get the app from the Google Play Store. After getting the app, this is the home screen that appears. You click on Get Started. Enter your mobile number. Just click on Continue after getting the OTP. Then give your name and mail. It's optional. Then click on Allow Location Access. Click on Start Ordering. As you see in the picture, you have got 90 rupees off on your first order with free delivery. Once you click on Start Ordering, this is the home screen that appears. You have to click on Referral Reward as shown in the picture. Click on that. Now you'll be directed to the Referral Reward page with offers that are available with nearby restaurants. As you see in the picture, you can click on any of them. Here you'll see flat 90 off and you'll be given the code to get the referral reward. This code you got to apply in the cart while placing the order. I'll show you how. Please note this code expires once you log in with the referral link. As you see in the picture, the code expires today, so as you will get the intimation or notification that code expires. So within the prescribed time, say 1 week would be given as suppose to place your first order with referral reward. Now go down, you will see here the menu or the food. As you see in the picture, here I've got dum biryani. Now add to cart whatever the food you want. After adding your favorite dishes, you can click on View Cart and you see here the referral reward coupon is auto applied. If it's not applied, you can click on View More Coupons and apply the coupon over there. As you see in the picture, I'm applying the coupon. I'll provide this coupon also in the description box. You can check out. And after applying the coupon, you can click on Proceed to Pay and place your first order. Please note this referral reward is applicable only for new users. Only one device login is allowed with referral reward. Okay, hope you got my point. And that's it all for today. Thanks for watching. Do enjoy the referral reward. Keep smiling. Have a good day.